What if I told you that growing vegetables in December, even in the harsh Zone 6 winters, is not only possible, but can also be incredibly rewarding? Stick around, because I'm about to share the most cold-resistant vegetables that will keep your garden growing, no matter how low the temperature drops. Winter gardening? It's not just a dream, it's a reality, even for gardeners in Zone 6. Sure, it's cold outside and snow might be falling, but that doesn't mean your garden has to take a break. The right vegetables can thrive in December, helping you enjoy fresh produce all winter long. In this video, I'll walk you through the top vegetables that are perfect for winter gardening in Zone 6, plus tips and tricks for growing them in freezing temperatures. What is Zone 6? Why does it matter? Before we dive into which veggies to grow, it's important to understand what Zone 6 means. The USDA Hardiness Zone Map divides the United States into regions based on average minimum temperatures during the winter months. Zone 6 includes areas where winter temperatures can dip to 10F to 0F. So, what does this mean for your garden? Well, while it's not as harsh as some northern zones, Zone 6 winters can still be challenging for most plants. However, it's totally possible to grow cold, hardy vegetables that will not only survive, but actually thrive through the winter months. Let's start with some vegetables that love the cold and are perfect for your December garden. 1. Kale, your winter superstar, and why it's more resilient than you think. Kale isn't just a winter favorite. It's one of the toughest vegetables you can grow in December in Zone 6. This leafy green actually becomes sweeter after frost. That's right. Exposure to cold temperatures converts some of the starches in kale into sugars, making it even more flavorful. To grow kale in December, you can plant it in containers with good drainage so it's easier to move around during extreme cold spells. If you already have kale growing from the fall, you can cover it with floating row covers or plastic cloches to keep it from freezing too early. Kale prefers well-drained soil with lots of organic matter. You can start it indoors in late summer or early fall, or buy young plants in early December. Harvesting tip: harvest the outer leaves first, allowing the center of the plant to continue growing. You can continue harvesting all winter as long as temperatures don't drop too low. 2. Spinach, the ultimate cold-loving green. Spinach is one of those underrated vegetables that thrives in cold temperatures. In fact, spinach actually benefits from frost exposure by becoming sweeter and more tender. It's not just easy to grow, it's also packed with nutrients perfect for those long winter months when you need a vitamin boost. While spinach can be grown directly in the garden, if you want to extend its growing season into December, grow it under a cold frame or use cloches to protect the plants from the freezing wind. A layer of mulch around your spinach plants will also help to retain moisture and protect the roots from freezing. You can plant spinach in both full sun and partial shade. The key to success is making sure the soil stays moist but never soggy. Harvesting tip: spinach is harvested by cutting the outer leaves. By trimming the mature leaves, you allow younger leaves to continue growing, and you can enjoy a steady harvest throughout the winter. 3. Carrots, a sweet surprise that grows underground. Carrots are another vegetable that seems surprising to grow in the cold, but they actually thrive in colder weather. While most gardeners associate carrots with summer, the cold months can actually make them sweeter. As the temperatures dip, carrots develop a natural antifreeze in their cells, which helps them survive freezing temperatures. Carrots grow slowly in December, but that's what makes them perfect for winter gardening. If you want to extend your harvest, grow carrots in raised beds or deep containers to protect them from heavy frost and ensure they have enough space to develop properly. For a successful carrot crop, lightly loosen the soil to help the carrots grow freely. Sandy loam or well-drained soil works best, as it gives them room to develop their long tap roots. Harvesting tip: if you're growing carrots through the winter, wait until the soil has thawed to harvest them. You can harvest them right from the ground as you need them, so you'll have a continuous supply of fresh, sweet carrots throughout winter. 4. Brussels sprouts, tiny cabbage balls that love frost. You may think of Brussels sprouts as a fall vegetable, but they actually grow perfectly through December in Zone 6. Cold weather makes them sweeter, and a hard frost can help develop the full flavor of this vegetable. If you've already planted them earlier in the fall, December is the time to reap the rewards. Because Brussels sprouts grow tall, they're susceptible to winter winds. Using windbreaks around your garden beds or containers will protect your sprouts from damage while they continue to grow. Covering them with frost blankets can help protect the plants during extreme weather. Start Brussels sprouts indoors in late summer or early fall and transplant them in the garden once the soil is ready for them. The ideal time to harvest is after the first frost when the flavors deepen. Harvesting tips: start picking from the bottom of the stalk, leaving the top sprouts to continue maturing. You'll get fresh Brussels sprouts all winter long. 5. Broccoli, a superfood that loves the cold. Broccoli is one of those cold weather vegetables that actually gets better in colder temperatures. It becomes more flavorful and less bitter after being exposed to frost. Plus, it's rich in vitamins and minerals, making it an essential addition to any winter garden. Broccoli needs a long growing season, so if you're planting in December, you'll likely need to protect it with a cold frame or high tunnel. These structures will help retain heat even during freezing temperatures, allowing you to continue growing your broccoli in the cold. Broccoli grows best in well-drained soil that's slightly alkaline. Make sure to space the plants 18 inches apart to allow for full development. Harvesting tip: harvest your broccoli when the heads are firm and tight. Once you cut the main head, you'll get smaller side shoots that can continue producing. Why grow vegetables in December? Zone 6. You might be wondering, why bother growing vegetables in December when it's freezing? Well, there are several benefits to winter gardening that you might not have considered. Health benefits. Fresh, homegrown vegetables are packed with nutrients, especially when compared to store-bought ones that may have been shipped from faraway locations. Extended harvest. Growing vegetables in December extends your harvest well beyond the summer months, ensuring you always have something fresh to eat. Money saving. Growing your own food can save you a lot of money, especially when grocery stores raise prices on fresh vegetables during the winter. Winter exercise. Gardening in the winter keeps you physically active and allows you to get outside and enjoy the fresh air, even when it's cold. Tips for successful December gardening in Zone 6. Here are some pro tips for making sure your winter garden thrives in December. Use row covers or clochets. Protect your plants from harsh winds and frost with row covers. They allow sunlight to penetrate while providing a barrier against the cold. Mulch. Adding a thick layer of mulch around your vegetables helps protect the roots from freezing and keeps the soil moist. Consider container gardening. If you're short on space or concerned about frost, consider growing your vegetables in containers. It makes it easier to move your plants to a protected location when needed. Water properly. Even in winter, plants need water. Make sure the soil stays moist, but not soggy, as this can cause the roots to freeze. So, whether you're growing kale, carrots, or Brussels sprouts, there's no reason to stop gardening just because it's winter. With the right planning and protection, you can grow a healthy and vibrant winter garden in Zone 6, enjoying fresh vegetables all season long. Did you learn something new today? Hit that like button if you're excited to grow vegetables in December, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Comment below with your favorite winter vegetables and let me know if you've ever tried winter gardening in Zone 6.